Welcome to my channel. I am Ben, the business analyst expert.
In today's video, we're going to talk about Bitmain Antminer KS3 9.4th, which is one of the most profitable cryptocurrency miners at the moment. I also placed below this video the link of Miners Deals, which is one of the most reliable companies to buy crypto miners from at the moment. But before we start, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon to be notified for future videos. Bitmain Antminer Ks3 9.4th is manufactured by Bitmain, the Chinese mining hardware manufacturer leader. Antminer Ks3 9.4th uses K-heavy hash algorithm with a maximum hash rate of 9.4th per second for a power consumption of 35,000 watts. The market shows that the miner's hash rate is generating around $261.39 per day at the moment, which is equivalent to $7,841.69 in monthly profit, which means the device can generate a yearly profit of $94,129. Yes, you heard me. $94,100.29 with a single device. Note that these values are just estimations and can go up or down depending on the market. This is one of the first ASICs for the K-heavy hash algorithm. The device is used to mine Caspa, KSA. Caspa is a proof-of-work POW cryptocurrency which implements the Ghost DAG protocol. Unlike traditional blockchains, Ghost DAG does not orphan blocks created in parallel, rather allows them to coexist and orders them in consensus. The Caspa blockchain is actually a block DAG. The generalization of Nakamoto consensus allows for secure operation while maintaining very high block rates, currently 1 block per second, aiming for 10 per second, dreaming of 100 per second, and minuscule confirmation times dominated by internet latency. The Caspa implementation includes a lot of cool features, such as reachability to query the DAG's topology, block data pruning, with near-future plans for block header pruning, SPV proofs, and later sub-network support, which will make future implementation of Layer 2 solutions much easier. Antminer KS3 is a lot heavier than other Bitmain Antminer units. It weighs 16,100 grams and has a size of 195 by 290 by 430 millimeters. The miner uses the Ethernet interface. It also comes with 2 fans. Antminer Ks3 noise level is similar to most Antminers with 70 decibels. The temperature ranges from 5 to 40 degrees Celsius, and humidity ranges from 10 to 90%. Antminer Ks3 comes with a 100-day warranty period, just like most Bitmain Antminer devices on the market. So guys, if you're looking to get into crypto mining, Antminer Ks3 would be a good choice. I placed a link of Miners Deals in the description below. It's one of the most reliable sources to buy crypto miners at the moment. Give us a thumbs up and show us your support in the comment section below. See you in the next video. Until then, keep smiling.
Please subscribe to my channel if you have not done it yet, and don't forget to click the notification button. I hope you guys learned and enjoyed this video. Thank you, and have a great day.